The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. From its roaring naturally aspirated V8 to its sharp handling and track-ready design, this is not just a sports car. It's a statement. Let's get started. Engine and performance. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2026 Z06 uses a 5.5-liter V8 engine, the LT6. But this isn't just any V8. This one's a flat-plane crank, revving all the way to 8,600 RPM. That's race car territory. 670 horsepower at 8,400 RPM. 460 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. Dual-clutch 8-speed transmission. This is the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever in a production car. No turbos. No superchargers. Just pure American muscle. And yes, that exhaust note, it screams like a Ferrari but delivers Chevy's signature punch. Chassis, suspension and braking. Now all that power needs control. The Z06 rides on a race-bred suspension with magnetic ride control 4.0, one of the best systems in the world. Double wishbone suspension all around. Massive Brembo brakes, with optional carbon ceramic rotors in the Z07 package. Optional carbon fiber wheels, saving 41 pounds of unsprung weight. This car doesn't just go fast in a straight line, it turns, stops, and dances through corners like a European exotic. Exterior design and aerodynamics. Let's talk looks. The Z06 is based on the C8 Stingray, but it's wider, about 3.6 inches, with aggressive bodywork, big vents, and serious aero. Front splitter, rear spoiler, or massive wing with the Z07 pack. Wider rear tires for added grip. Optional carbon fiber aero for serious downforce. The Z06 looks like a street-legal race car, because it basically is. Interior and features. Inside, it's all about the driver. You sit low, the steering wheel is squared off, and the cabin wraps around you like a cockpit. 12-inch digital gauge cluster with track data. 8-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bose 14-speaker Performance Series sound system. 3 seat choices, GT1, GT2, and Competition Sport. Optional carbon fiber trim, Alcantara, and custom stitching. Even though it's built for speed, it doesn't skimp on luxury. Whether you're at a track or cruising the boulevard, it feels premium. Safety and tech. Safety and tech. The Z06 has you covered. Rear cross-traffic alert. Blind spot monitoring. Front and rear cameras with a curb view. Performance data recorder for track days. It's modern, smart, and ready for everyday driving, even if it looks like a Le Mans car. Pricing and competition. Now for the numbers. The base price of the Z06 is expected to start around $110,000. Fully loaded with the Z07 package and all the carbon fiber extras, you're looking at $130,000 plus. Still, that's a steal compared to the Porsche 911 GT3, Audi R8, or McLaren Artura, which can run $170,000 and up. The Z06 is track-ready, exotic-level performance, at half the price of some of its rivals. Closing thoughts. So, what do we have here? A flat-plane V8 masterpiece. Razor-sharp handling. Supercar looks. All-American attitude. The 2026 Corvette Z06 isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. Chevy didn't build a better Corvette, they built a better Ferrari, for a third of the cost. If you love performance, sound, and speed, the Z06 belongs at the top of your dream garage. Thanks for watching Road Prince. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, is the Z06 your dream supercar? Or are you holding out for the electric Zora? Until next time, drive safe and stay fast.